Majin Buu collection, complete forms and dioramas. So we will start here at the first form of Majin Buu, the Fat Buu. The next one, Evil Buu. Next one, Gohan Absorb Buu. Next one is Gotenks Buu with Buu Ghosts. Then Melted Buu, Piccolo Buu, Kind Buu, Super Buu, and the final form of Majin Buu, smallest one, and this one is Muscle Buu, the form prior to the final form. And we have here, of course, Majin Buddha. Here is Buu Egg and some other figures, and Buu and Cocoon, and Bobby the Spaceship. And we have here some other forms of Buu and Android 21, the girl Buu, and Majin Buu House, and Super Buu. So that's it for my Majin Buu collection. Hope you enjoy watching. Have a nice day. Bye.